Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Again, thank you for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please, if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. As you can see from the description, today we are opening the January 2019 JewlyBox. I love this subscription. I think it is super fabulous. It is a monthly subscription where you receive 3 beautiful pieces of jewelry every month. It is $19.95 or $19.99. And everything is so gorgeous. I will leave a code down below and a link if you would like to sign up. You can use the code Nikki and you can get your first box for only $9.99. You can't beat it, I'm telling you. It's always so beautiful. So let's take a look and see what January 2019 is all about. I don't know about you guys, but I'm still getting used to saying 2019. Like, it's just crazy. So, all right. So we have alrighty, we have our card here. It says January. Welcome to your January JewlyBox. We are so excited for you to see all of the beautiful pieces in this month's collection. We have curated the collection to be the perfect mix of dainty and statement, so you'll always be on balance with your looks. Don't forget to share your looks with the hashtag or with hashtag JewlyBox so we can see you sporting your new gems. And then on the back it will tell us everything, and they do always name their pieces after a lady, which is always nice. There's something. I love that. Is this a sticker or just like a card? It says, if you can't stop thinking about it, buy it. No, that's my motto. All right. So we have our cute little bag here. And oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, it's like a little furry, super soft too, furry little pom-pom keychain. That is so soft. Oh, that's cute. All right, that says this is the free gift. Just because Christmas is over doesn't mean the gifts have to stop. We wanted to give you a little extra something. This faux fur pom-pom keychain does just that. Add to your keys and feel extra gorgeous this month. Has a retail value of $16. I've seen a lot of people with these. These are so cute. And it is so soft. That is precious. I was surprised. All right, so again, we have our little bag here. So let's take a look. All right, first thing I'm pulling out looks like some earrings. These look super pretty. Oh yes, these are so pretty. And these are definitely something that you could wear with almost anything. Like, those are so pretty. I love that they're little dangles. It's like just enough of something. So pretty. And these are the Diana, an everyday earring that goes with basically anything and everything. Add that little extra something to your look with these sparkly dangle earrings. Retail value of $18. Those are really pretty. I really like those a lot. Like a lot. And then we have, and I do believe when you sign up for JewlyBox, you can go in and you can select whether or not like you want gold, rose gold, rose gold, or silver. And I do know that everyone receives the same items every month. Just the color could be different based on your preference. So this is the necklace, and this is called the Terry. And I am in love with this already. If I get it too. There we go. So it's a simple silver chain with this cute little sparkly circle pendant. So cute, simple but pretty, similar to what I have on. This is the necklace that came in the FabFitFun, just a little smaller, but it has like a sparkle. That is gorgeous. So let's see what. Simple but elegant, this gorgeous necklace is guaranteed to make a statement. The circle represents the circle of life and the beginning of a new year. Retail value is $22. I really like that necklace a lot. I like the earrings a lot too. Oh, yes, ma'am. This is a bracelet. This is the Sydney. I would need help putting this on. Y'all, hey, look how sparkly that is. Like, that is super cute. Oh my goodness. That's like just enough if you wear like that simple necklace, or like even this simple necklace. It's like, hey, but like not overpowering. Like, that is gorgeous. Let's see. The bracelet everyone will ask you where you got. Our favorite is to layer on up with a watch or other bracelets to create the perfect arm candy look. The retail value is $34. Y'all, this month is amazing. Are you kidding me? All right, so we had the necklace, super gorgeous. The earrings, adorable. Bracelet, beautiful. And then the super cute little extra bonus soft furry keychain. So January 2019 JewlyBox, yes, you did it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Again, I think it is all just so beautiful, and I can't wait to wear this and enjoy it. Again, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, and you can use the code Nikki and you can get your first box for only $9.99. That's amazing. The total retail value for this month was $90. It's amazing. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.